greeting and asking for a table.
Hi, welcome.
Hi. We're 2 people.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
That's fine. Please follow me. Hello. How many people are you?
We're 3.
Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please.
Okay, this way. Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name James.
Let me check. Yes, I see it.
Great.
Your table is ready. Welcome in.
Hi. We're 4 people. There's a short wait, about 10 minutes.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Great.
Please wait here. Hi there.
Hi. Is there a table available?
For how many people?
Just one.
You can sit by the window.
Perfect. Thank you.
Getting the menu and asking questions.
Excuse me, can we see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. Is this all you have today?
Yes, this is today's menu.
Great. We'll take a few minutes to decide.
Hi. Do you have an English menu?
Yes, we do.
Can we get 2, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you, that's perfect. What dishes do you recommend?
The pasta and the grilled chicken are very popular.
Okay, are they spicy?
The chicken is mild. The pasta is a little spicy.
I'll have the chicken then. Thanks. Excuse me, what's in this dish?
It has chicken, mushrooms, and cream sauce.
Sounds good. Is it suitable for kids?
Yes, it's not spicy at all.
Perfect. We'll try that. Can you tell me which dishes are vegetarian?
Yes, the salad and the vegetable pasta are vegetarian.
Great. And are there any gluten-free options?
The grilled fish is gluten-free.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
You're welcome.
Ordering food and drinks.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like?
I'll have a chicken, please.
And anything to drink?
Water, please.
Can I take your order?
Yes. I'd like the burger.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
A Coke, please.
What can I get for you?
I'll have the pasta.
Any changes or special requests?
No onions, please.
No problem. Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
Are you ready? Or do you need more time?
We're ready now.
Okay, go ahead.
2 pizzas and 1 salad, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, 2 iced teas.
What would you like to order?
Can I get the grilled fish?
Sure. How would you like it cooked?
Well done, please.
Any side dish?
Rice, please.
During the meal. Requests and small problems.
Excuse me, can we get some water, please?
Of course.
And could we have some napkins as well?
Sure, I'll bring them right away.
Thank you. Sorry, I think this is not what I ordered.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. What did you order?
I ordered the pasta, not the pizza.
My mistake. I'll change it for you.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Excuse me, this food is a bit cold.
I'm really sorry.
Could you please heat it up?
Of course. I'll take it back.
Thank you. Sorry, we're missing one dish.
Let me check that for you.
We ordered 2 burgers and 1 salad.
You're right. The salad is coming now.
Okay, thanks for checking.
Is everything okay here?
Yes, everything is great so far.
I'm glad to hear that.
Could we get some extra sauce?
Sure, no problem.
Asking for the bill and saying goodbye.
Excuse me, could we get the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Whenever you're ready, we'd like the bill.
Of course. Did you enjoy the food?
Yes, everything was great.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks. Is service included in the bill?
Yes, it is.
Okay, that's fine.
Would you like to pay cash or card?
Card, please.
Here's your bill.
Thanks. Could you split it, please?
Sure, how many people?
2.
No problem. Was everything okay today?
Yes, we really enjoyed it.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks for the service.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
If speaking English at restaurants makes you nervous, you're not alone. Most people don't struggle with English. They struggle with using it in real life. That's why Under 5 English exists. Short, simple conversations you can actually use without overthinking. Save this video, try it next time you're out, and follow Under 5 English for more real-life English. Happy practicing, and see you next time.